Hey everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I haven't glued it all together yet, but I'm getting close to being done. Trip might join me. I don't know. He seems like he wants to. I'm going to get my glue out here. I don't know if somebody... I think Bobby asked me what glue was in this bottle. That is Fabri-Tac. And this bottle is Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. I seem to like it a little bit better than Art Glitter Glue. Okay, so that's the glue that I use. Alright, well, I've got this on here, trying to commit it to memory of how I put it on there, because it's not glued down yet. I was waiting. I did do Spider out of this pack. What is this? Halloween Crafts Mini, Hobby Lobby. I don't know what year. I don't know. But anyway, and I did a spider. I colored it with black Sharpie. And then I put glossy accents over it. I thought it needed a spider right down there, since I had the snowflake on the other one. Okay, I'm going to sit down. Looks like I'm in. Right, and now I got to take all this stuff off. I'm going to try to, like, assemble it to the side the way it will be on the card, because I will forget. And most of this is Tim Holtz, and 31 right there. I wanted to show you my charms. I found some more in a stash. I know where they get all tangled up. This is a witch, and I know somebody gave that to me. And this key with a skull on it, I know somebody gave that to me. Let's see what's... This bead is a skull, and I know somebody gave that to me. And what else have I got here? What's on the... Did they get all tangled up? Okay, hang on. Ah, this. Yep, somebody gave that to me too. And then this... What do I got here? Pumpkin. Yep, somebody gave me that one. I think it was all in the same thing. And then that's the one spider I did use out of that Fairy Tale charm pack that I had. So yeah, so there's my charms on the side. Alright. Alright, let's see if we can get this put back together. I used, let's see, here, Tim Holtz. I used out of I got the little girl, the owl, the poison, the butterfly, that little back piece to make her not blend in, and this thing. I got it all out of the Halloween 2023 pack. The Beware and the 31 was off of the, what are they calling that? Label tape. And the little girl is wearing a mask. You can see that. Let's see. Put a little mask on her. I just thought she was kind of fun. And her hand was up here, so there's going to be an owl sitting on her hand. And the mask came out of this, the Halloween 2023 little mask. I think that's the first time I've used out of the pack. Of course, you know, I had to have another one. My cats think it's food time. It is not quite yet. So you will hear them scratching at the leg of my desk, which, thank goodness, is all wood. Alrighty, let's see. I think I inked her. I inked the owl. I think I did. I need to ink the butterfly. Anyway, I put those charms on there because it was one of those things where, yeah, I was probably going to say wordy dirds again. Okay, I'm going to do this. That's just vintage photo on this. Oh, bent it. That'll probably look okay bent. Oh, I didn't do the poison either. So I wanted to bring a little orange to the front. And let me see if I can get this back on there the way I had it. I had this like this. And I had her, let's see. I think that's going to be there. I may go ahead and just glue that one down there, I think. because I want her standing on that. And I want that, yeah, I think okay. So, this will be the end of this. I really didn't do a whole lot not on camera. I was trying to think of what I did off camera. Don't have a whole lot to talk about now. Let's see, she's going to be standing there like that. I need to slip that underneath. I don't know what 15/2 means, but it was the color I needed in there, so okay. I think my phone is actually ringing. Ask me if I care. When I'm doing this, I don't care anymore. I don't care who it is. My sister gets mad at me. She, oh, well, you didn't answer the phone when I called. Look who's talking. She hardly ever answers the phone when I call. Anyway. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here where she's going to be standing on that. Make sure I get it even. Okay. Probably just better glue her down. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, that's the... Okay, that was her glasses. Or her mask. It took me about 10 minutes to figure out how I wanted this stuff on there. Just about 10 minutes. And I want... Oh, wait, no, I want her owl. I want her owl on her hand. He's like on a stick, but I want him on her hand like that. Like she's holding that out on her hand. And then I want this butterfly up above, a little bit more of that orange color, like right here. Okay, the 31, I want over here. If I can get the backing off of it. I'll tell you what, it's very, it was kind of disappointing, this. Put a little bit of that on there. 31, oops, upside down. Of course, now I got glue over my finger. Story of my life. We'll put the 31 in there like that. Smush it down. Smush it all down. About done with this. That's going to go there, but the Beware is going to go here like that. And then I'll be done. I'll be done with this. I got a couple special cards to make for Halloween. You know, other than, you know, some of them be little one-of-a-kind ones. Okay, let's see. Beware. I want it right there. And then this, I need to put the spider on with Fabri-Tac because he's a little heavier. Okay. Alright. Not really heavy, just bulky. Nothing on here is really heavy. Okay. Okay. Right over here like that. There. And I'm done with this particular book. Little journal. I have a lot of these paper dolls. I love the paper dolls. I even have the Christmas paper dolls, the Halloween paper dolls, the regular paper dolls, and I rarely use them. There was somebody else I used to watch. She said she had a problem using people or anything with faces. I said, maybe that's my problem too. I just have a problem using people. Okay. All right, there it is. There's my book. My book. I didn't do anything inside. Got lots of writing surfaces. I think I counted them up and front and back on everything, like 288, like front back surfaces to write on, including these that are here, or put a picture on, you know, that kind of thing. But there you go. There we go. I like my little girl holding her owl. I like the butterfly, brings in a little bit of color, but not too much. But whatever that means, but it added color. My little spider, the poison, where she can stand on it. And so you can, remember we were worried about covering up the spider web. You can still see it back there. This is a little too big, but I needed something to, because her face was getting lost in the spider web, actually. Maybe I should have had the spider eating her head. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. There's my book. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helped somebody. All right. Like I said, I didn't show you picking this stuff out because it's just a matter of just picking stuff out. All right. Bye.